This is my KX80. It's a 1996. I'll start it up in a couple minutes. But I was just wondering, when you guys input, what I should do to it. It's in good shape. Right now it's a little dirty, so I just took it for a ride. But it's in good shape. It's a nice bike. New tires. There's a lot of mud clogged up in them, so they don't look new. So I just want to know, what do you think I should do to it, and what other people have done to them. It's got ethanol bars, FMF pipe, top end redone, new front fender, new rear fender, because last person I had wrecked it and redid everything. So I don't know, what do you think I should do to it? Start it up. Oh, it doesn't have any gas in it. Took it for a really long ride. Yeah, I don't think this one will start. It won't start right now. I will have video updates later of me starting it. So I'll give you a little video of starting my other bike. It's a XR 80R 2001. It is for sale, $900 or best offer. So here it is. I'm gonna start it up. So here this bike is. Pretty nice bike. A little bit cold right now. It's in good shape. Fire it back up for you. Alright, so there you go. There's my 80 and this bike. KX80. XR KX.